Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start a video. Before starting the video, I making a series of tutorials in Solidwork. If you are a beginner, if you are in intermediate, if you are a professional, then you can learn make a design in the Solidworks. Okay guys, this yeah, we take it to circle, then take a line and this one, and I think uh, we we take a dimension this, and then we do mirror. Okay, all three lines we mirror with center line. Okay guys, this distance is 76, and we do tangent this one. Now it is fully defined. Okay, we select all three lines, mirror in each, and mirror about which line, and we select the line, and same all three profiles, all three lines are come on other side. This radius is 8, and there is center to center distance of this elongated is 14. Now from bottom to uh, this distance is 20. Now it is fully defined. Okay, we extrude this one, extrude 19 mm. Okay, then select the sketch and extrude. We extrude this one. This extrusion is 12. Sketch. We sketch. We are sketching here. Uh, do make it two circle, and one die is 20 and one die is 25. Okay. And this line we do straight, and we make tangent to circle, and this line is connected to air. We select both of them. We take a line, not a select. Okay, and this distance from center of circle, and height is 19 mm, and tangent, and this distance, how many is distance? There is a no dimension given here. The top to top distance we can take 58, or maybe I think no dimension is shown in this total drawing. So then we make coincident. Sorry, PS. Okay. Profile is made. Now we extrude. Firstly, we extrude in one side. After extruding one side, we take a distance and take a offset to make this profile, and this distance is 10 mm, and the thickness is 10 mm. Okay, what is the distance from the center is offset. We are taking offset of this is 32, 11, 11 minus of total distance. Total distance is 76, 54, and this distance 52, minus of 76 minus of 12 mm. We take a offset, and offset is okay. Now we are mirror entities, mirror about plane, center, right plane. Okay, now this profile is mirrored. Now there is another extrusion we are taking, and this extrusion is extrude. Select this profile. After selecting the profile, take a offset of 12 mm, and we reverse the direction. Okay, guys, and this one maybe it is 11. Oh no, sorry. um, This 1 mm outside. Come, this one. Okay, okay, take a offset of 11 mm. Now it is correct. And you think we mirror this one? No, 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 we don't mirror this one. If you mirror this one, then our profile become wrong. Our 3D, our extrusion become wrong. Mirror become wrong. Now we take this one, and now we extrude this. Easily extrude this. Trim entities. We are trimming all the extra dimension, all the extra profiles. Select this one. Now we are mirroring. No, sorry, we are extrude 11 mm. After extrusion, now I think profile is our 3D model is complete. Thank you, guys.